Hello everybody and welcome to another TUT-based tutorial. Basically this video series is about building your own HTML and CSS website. I'm going to do some very basic things in this video, so don't expect too much, but you gotta start somewhere. Okay, first I want to show you in this video how to make a basic HTML page. I'm sorry if I stutter or have a slight accent because I'm Dutch. I hope you can forgive me for that. Anyway, let's begin. First we're going to declare a doc type. This is telling the site that the doc type is HTML. Then we're going to start the HTML so the browser knows what kind of code to expect. Oh, I did that wrong. So, now a closing tag, /HTML. This is so the browser knows here's where the code ends, here's where the HTML ends. Next, we're going to make a head. I did this by hitting the tab key. It makes the code, if you make long code, it makes it easier to recognize if you indent it. Okay, now we're going to head. This, I'll show you what it does. Next, we're going to do a body. The body is what contains all the images, the diffs. Don't worry what a diff is yet. I'll explain that later. That doesn't apply here. Okay, / close body. I'm forgetting something. No, I'm not forgetting something. Okay, now we're going to add a title to the page. Usually this is a description of the page itself or a slogan of your website. I'm going to do the slogan here. Learn, create, share. I've got a space there and there. Now we close the title. So, I did that wrong. Okay, now obviously you're not going to see much in the browser right now. I'll show you what happens. The only thing that's going to get red is the everything will get red, but the only thing you'll see is the title. I'll show you that. As you can see here, oh, my browser is a little bit so. As you can see here, learn, create, share. This is pretty useful in describing pages also. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.